Hi there. Living on Social Security can be challenging, especially when unexpected expenses arise. Did you know there are cash advance apps that can help bridge the gap until your next deposit? Today, we'll explore options tailored for Social Security recipients and some important tips to keep in mind before using them. Cash advance apps provide small, short-term advances to cover expenses until your next income deposit. The good news? Many of these apps recognize Social Security benefits as valid income, making them accessible even without traditional employment. Let's take a look at some cash advance apps that work well for Social Security recipients. Keep in mind that each provider has different requirements, fees, and turnaround times, so it's important to choose one that fits your needs. The first app to consider is Clio. Clio offers advances up to $250 with a monthly subscription starting as low as $5.99. Standard transfers take 3 to 4 days, but you can get instant transfers for an additional fee. The second is Bridget. Bridget provides advances from $50 to $250 with a subscription fee of $8.99 to $14.99 per month. Standard transfers take 2 to 3 days, or you can choose instant transfers if you have a premium subscription or pay an extra fee. The third is Albert. Albert offers advances between $25 and $250 with a $14.99 monthly fee. One perk with Albert, there are no additional transfer fees, and you can access funds instantly. The fourth is MoneyLion. MoneyLion provides advances up to $500 or up to $1,000 if you have a Roar Money account. The app has a free basic membership with instant transfer fees ranging from 49 cents to $8.99. Standard transfers can take up to 5 days. Before you decide on an app, here are 5 tips to make sure it's right for you. Tip 1 is to check provider requirements. Not all cash advance apps have the same requirements. Some might only work with specific banks or require regular deposits. Make sure the app you're interested in matches your banking setup. Tip 2 is watch out for monthly fees. Some apps have subscription fees while others don't. If you don't plan to use the app often, think about whether a monthly fee is worth it. Tip 3 is to consider instant transfer fees. If you can wait a few days, many cash advances are free. But if you need cash instantly, check the express transfer fees. Some apps charge more than others, so comparing options can save you money. Tip 4, don't borrow more than you need. Even if you're eligible for a $200 advance, it might be better to only borrow what you really need. Borrowing too much can lead to a cycle of debt, so it's smart to keep advances as small as possible. And tip 5, consider your banking needs. Some cash advance providers require you to bank with them to use their service. If you're happy with your current bank, look for an app that allows transfers to an external bank account. If you're not eligible for a cash advance app or you need to borrow a larger amount, here are 4 alternatives that might be helpful. 1 is getting a personal loan. Personal loans are a good option if you need more than a cash advance app can offer. They usually require decent credit, but they allow you to repay over a longer period. 2 is getting a payday alternative loan. If you're a member of a federal credit union, ask about a payday alternative loan or PAL. They go up to $1,000 and come with reasonable interest rates and terms. 3 is a no credit check loan. For those with bad credit, a no credit check loan is an option. Be cautious though, some can come with high interest rates similar to payday loans. And lastly, 4 are local programs and resources. You might look for local programs, nonprofits, or government agencies that offer help with necessities like food, utilities, and emergency expenses. Those resources are often free and can help in a pinch. Cash advance apps can be a lifesaver during rough times, especially for Social Security recipients, but it's important to use them wisely. If you're careful with borrowing and plan for repayment, they can be a helpful tool. For more information on each app I covered and to compare your options, follow the link to finder.com in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful money tips and advice.